When a star dies, it's like the final act of a cosmic drama that has played out for billions of years. If it's a small star, like our sun, it quietly fades away, shedding its outer layers and leaving behind a glowing core called a white dwarf. Over time, that white dwarf cools and darkens, becoming invisible, a ghost of the star it once was. But if the star is massive, the ending is far more dramatic. It can explode in a supernova, a blast so bright it can outshine entire galaxies for a short time. This explosion scatters elements across the universe, elements that make up planets and even us. What's left behind can become either a dense neutron star or, if the star is big enough, a black hole, where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. In the movie Interstellar, they explore the concept of black holes, remnants of stars that once shone bright but now are mysterious, dark voids. What would it be like to fall into one? That's a story for another time. Want to hear more cosmic mysteries like this? You're watching CE Fact Fusion. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the universe.